Until now, I created a DBT project, used my Snowflake warehouse, and modeled my sample data using DBT source files, and defined my metrics using Metriql's metric definitions, and created a Metriql instance in my local environment to be able to expose this data. Here you see the user interface of Metriql that lets you just analyze this data through your preferred BI tool. I'm going to be using Google Data Studio for this demo, and I need to find a way to connect to my local environment, because here you will see a native connector for Google Data Studio that is asking me to connect to my local environment. I'm going to be using this simple tool called localhost.run to expose my local port to the world. So here, let's use this URL. And when I visit this URL, I shall see my Metriql instance, since it's actually a proxy service. Yes, it is working just fine. So here, I'm going to be using this path, api.version. Here, click submit. It will get the schema directly from my local environment and asks me the dataset that I want to analyze. I'm going to analyze the orders data and click connect. In the next screen, I see all my dimensions, all my measures in an organized format. I see their default aggregation so that I can analyze total orders as either dimension or measure. It's up to me. I see all the dimensions from the customer's dataset, since there is a joint relationship in between the orders and customers. I don't need to play with the UI here. I don't need to model data in advance, since Metriql takes care of all these integrations. So all I need to do is to create a report button. So it will open up a canvas that I can just drill down to individual reports. Here, as you see, it already picked up order date and total orders. I see a sample data here. And when I click these values and drop to here, it actually directly runs queries inside my Metriql instance, just like this one. And I can just see everything here and analyze the data in a way that I want.